Hello everyone and welcome back to Queen Varieties channel. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple, easy, mouth-watering native jollof rice recipe. One that once you serve it to your guests, their eyes will begin to, pop. Some people choose to call it concoction jollof rice, palm oil jollof rice, or even local jollof. And I know you have been patiently waiting for this recipe, and so guys, here it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get instant notifications whenever I upload new videos. Feel free to share my videos with your friends, loved ones, and family members. Okay guys, I already have my pot preheating, so what I'm going to add now is my palm oil. We're going to make this recipe as fast as possible. I'll allow the palm oil to heat for some few seconds and then we go over to the next step. As you can see, my palm oil has completely melted. What I just tossed into the pot now is some red spicy pepper. So I'll just stir it a little bit to infuse its flavor and then go ahead and add my onions, ginger and garlic inside the pot. Cover this pot to cook down for about 2 good minutes so that everything will become translucent. All flavors infuse into the palm oil. 2 minutes later guys, notice that the garlic, ginger and onions flavor has intensified effectively inside the pot. So we are going over to the next step here. I am going to introduce my red bell pepper guys, because for this recipe I will not be using any tomato or tin tomatoes. So if you don't want to use the bell pepper, if you're not a bell pepper type of person, you can use your fresh tomato or your tin tomato for this. Everything to make sure it combines. And then we are going to cook this pot down for exactly 10 good minutes. This step of preparation is very important because here is what is going to form the base of this simple native jollof rice recipe. So we'll cover and cook for 10 good minutes. 10 minutes later guys, and you notice that the sauce has indeed cooked down effectively. As you can see, oil coming at the surface of it, and you can also see that the appearance of the sauce has completely changed. That means the sauce is completely ready. So we are going over to the next step. Guys, can you see how beautiful the sauce is looking? This is how the outcome of your sauce should be. Properly fried, so that your jollof rice is going to taste, very nice. So now we are going to the next step. I will break a pair of nut cubes into the pot. So now I'm going to add my dry fish, which I have taken my time to crush into, little rough sizes. I don't want it to be long. I don't want it to be powdered form. So into rough powder. At this stage, you can add your crayfish. If you notice, I don't eat crayfish, so I always use my dry fish as a substitute. And for this local native jollof rice recipe, you must add crayfish or dry fish. Next, I'm going to add some stockfish fillets, which is going to bring another flavor into the jollof rice. Here I have my parboiled pomo, which I am going to add inside the pot right now. We are going to toss all these things to mix very well. And here I'll add my stock, and I'm using beef stock. You feel free to use chicken stock or any stock of your choice guys.